Dox Industries is proud to announce the all-new HPH Series J-Hook for Datacom cable support. HPH J-Hooks are a hybrid of both metal and plastic components, offering the best of both worlds. The plastic component provides a 2-inch wide base support with a slick and burr-free surface. The metal component is the backbone of the hook. It provides strength while reducing cost and weight. The combined J-Hook is UL listed, ROHS compliant, TIA compliant, and is suitable for installation in plenum and air handling spaces. One of the most innovative features of the HPH J-Hook is the built-in snap lock retainer. HPH J-Hooks are sold pre-assembled to UL listed and ROHS compliant attachments, which allow for easy installation to a variety of structures and surfaces. The back of the hook is flush mount to allow for easy installation to vertical surfaces.